I love wearing delicate jewelry, which is very like thin and delicate and very like feminine and girly and not too heavy. But depending on the occasion, sometimes those chokers and all also look nice. But I like more like thin and very like delicate jewelry. That's what I like personally.
Do you have any prestigious jewelry or diamond which is close in your heart? Would you like to say?
I mean, I don't own much of jewelry because but whatever that I have is being gifted to me by my parents. So all the stuff that they've given me, whether it's earrings or a thin necklace, a very thin gold chain and all with a cute little diamond in the center and all, that all is precious to me.
So if you want to give anyone any jewelry,
Yeah.
whom you want to give, like jewelry lover?
Who's a jewelry lover? Like what? In my
Your family or
my family in the industry, so I don't know who I'd like to give jewelry to. But
Vidya Balan.
An actor?
Rekha maybe. But she's such exquisite jewelry. Actually, Shanu, who's my casting director, she's a very good friend of mine and she loves jewelry. So maybe her.
What importance is you have to see when you go to buy a jewelry or diamond? What attracts you when you buy any diamond? There must be
Diamond only attracts me.
like qualities or design.
Simple designs, very like delicate simple designs.
While you also चलते
हाँ, और मैंने बहुत अच्छी तरह घुमा ली, ध्यान नहीं रखा. There are so many times they've got me earrings and a little ring, but as kids you keep fiddling with it, and I've lost it so many times. But nevertheless, it's still precious that they got me something. But yeah.
One social question.
Yeah.
ज्वेलरी हिंदी में ज्वेलरी डेड इन्वेस्टमेंट है मेरे हिसाब से. आदमी 2.5 लाख 5 लाख 20 लाख 50 लाख की ज्वेलरी लेता है और रख देता है किनारे जाके. असली और नकली अंतर नहीं पता चलता. मैं आपके सामने असली ज्वेलरी रखूँगा और नकली भी रखूँगा, आप अंतर नहीं कर पाएंगे. एक बार बॉम्बे हॉस्पिटल घूम कर आई, मेरा बच्चा वहीं एडमिट है. मैं इसी क्वेश्चन के लिए आया था. मेरा बच्चा एडमिट है, उसके स्पाइन में ट्यूमर है. डॉक्टर्स ने मुझे पैकेज दिया 5 लाख का. मैं अफोर्डेबल हूँ, बच्चे का इंश्योरेंस भी है. मैंने कहा ठीक है चलो कोई दिक्कत नहीं. जस्ट अ सेकंड, जस्ट इट अ सोशल क्वेश्चन. लोग ज्वेलरी में इतना पैसा बर्बाद करते, वहाँ जाके देखिए इतने कम से कम हज़ारों लोग बैठे हैं बेचारे जिनके पास पैसे नहीं हैं इलाज कराने के लिए. थोड़ा बहुत उस कॉस्ट के लिए भी आप लोग सोचिए, या 2 लाख 5 लाख 10 लाख की ज्वेलरी लेते हैं, कम से कम वहाँ जाके देखिए. वहाँ कुछ गरीब को ज़रूरत है, अपने बच्चे के लिए मरा जा रहा है, उसका बच्चा मरा जा रहा है, कोई घर वाला मरा जा रहा है, उसके लिए कम से कम जाके ज्वेलरी खरीदने की बजाय वहाँ पैसे डोनेट करिए. वो ज़्यादा मायने रखता है.
Thank you.
No, I get it.
और मैं आपको जस्ट मुझे बोलने दीजिए. जस्ट अ सेकंड. I don't want money, anything, but I want to take this social cause. Just a second. See, everything I have ended is a
Yes.
No, I mean it's sad that he's facing crisis and all. I don't know.
But it is just not related to jewelry, it's related to any luxury item. Basically, the message which he wanted to give across is to people who invest or spend money on maybe a wedding or maybe something which is frivolous or not needy based. They should do more social and more take care of sensitivity to what is happening.
They should take care of the social side as well, basically. Not be selfish.
Oh,
Yes, why me? I'd like to ask you.
I watched the first show of Befikre in Delhi. We were doing an event exhibition which is leading building material exhibition called Ace Tech, for which Shah Rukh Khan is the brand ambassador. So we saw, we probably at that point in time we basically were trying to trace whether she's from a lineage or she has, I don't think so. She has a family filmy background or something, or the support. जो फ्रेशनेस और जो वाइब्रेंसी और जो कॉन्फिडेंस के साथ वानी ने एक्ट किया, it didn't seem that it was her first movie, and with the season stars, and she really flew with flying colors, and that kind of confidence is the confidence of youth. That is what today's generation is looking at. If you would have spoken this about 5 years back, तो heavy jewelry की बात करते कोई, कुंदन, जड़ाऊ, पोल्की, इन्होंने delicate jewelry की बात करी, working jewelry की बात करी, daily wear की बात करी. This shows that we wish to go with times. So if अगर आज कोई yesteryears की एक्ट्रेस होती है या कोई और मॉडल होता है, कोई और ब्रांड एम्बेसडर होता है, उनकी थॉट प्रोसेस डिफरेंट होती है इन टर्म्स ऑफ ज्वेलरी. आप भी जानते हैं कैसे चेंजेस हो रही हैं प्रेफरेंसेस की. टुडे पीपल ऑन द मूव फास्ट, दे वुड लाइक टू बाय समथिंग विच दे कैन यूज एंड अकॉर्डिंग टू देयर पर्सनैलिटी. That is why Vani has been a delight, and we're really proud to associate with her, and we're grateful that she's taken so much time out, and I wish her all the success, and may she be the next superstar more than what she is today.
Thank you. That's so kind.
How are you enjoying 16?
I just went through all the stores looking at different collections. It's beautiful. It's, you know, you always keep these things in mind whenever you're planning to buy something or invest in jewelry. You always, like, I have my mental notes now, what, you know, and where I can go and purchase jewelry from. It's amazing how everything is so exquisite and very different, you know, unique in their own way. It's lovely, it's wonderful. I usually don't end up going to a lot of stores to purchase jewelry. It's not an everyday thing, but when you do, it's under one roof, and you know, you have a variant collection available here, so you don't have to keep hopping from one store to the other. You have everything under one roof, which is quite practical for somebody who wants to purchase jewelry.
Cut the beard and hair look after a long time. What do you think is he look in a clean shape or he better in their beard look?
दोनों में अच्छा लगता है.
आपके नजरिए से
मेरा नजरिया मैटर नहीं करता, वो कैरेक्टर मैटर करता है.
like beard से और clean shape.
I thought he looked really good in Befikre, clean shaven. Was he clean? Yeah, he was clean shaven. Yeah. I thought he looked really good, but he's also carrying off. He's very versatile with his, and I think he can pull off many looks. So,
वानी एक चीज आपसे जानना चाहूंगी मैं एज ए सिटीजन. वानी जम्मू कश्मीर में जो प्रिजनर्स हैं उनको 110 रुपए का राशन मिलता है, जबकि जो हमारे आर्मी ऑफिसर्स हैं उन्हें 97 रुपीस का खाना मिलता है. क्या एज ए सिटीजन आपको लगता है कि जो हमारे देश के आर्मी ऑफिसर हैं उनकी जो हालत हो रखी है फिलहाल वो प्रिजनर से भी बदतर हो रखी है, क्या लगता है आपको?
yeah, but as a citizen, मैं कहीं किसी और प्लेटफॉर्म पे इसका जवाब देना चाहूँगी. Right now, they've invited me for some other reason, and it'll be very insulting if I comment on something else and take this conversation to some other, you know, subject altogether. It's nicer that they've called me here for a certain reason, and I should stick to it. You catch me somewhere else, I swear to God, I'll answer your question, whatever it is.
Recently you tweeted,
I just don't want to be rude. Sorry.
recently you tweeted about the teaser of जब Harry Met
Let's stick to the event.
last Harry Met से तो किस तरह की केमिस्ट्री होने वाली है SRK और अनुष्का के बीच. आपने टीजर देखा, आपने ट्वीट भी किया.
हाँ, मुझे बहुत अच्छा लगा टीजर, एंड आई एम होपिंग बहुत एक्साइटिंग केमिस्ट्री होगी, बहुत फ्रेश होगी. बोथ आर वंडरफुल, लाइक आई लव वाचिंग बोथ ऑफ देम ऑन स्क्रीन.
वानी अपकमिंग प्रोजेक्ट्स जानना चाहेंगे, क्या प्रोजेक्ट कर रही हैं?
अभी देयर इज नो अनाउंसमेंट, तो मैं बता नहीं सकती, बट होपफुली सून आई कैन मेक इट, लाइक द प्रोडक्शन हाउस विल मेक एन अनाउंसमेंट.
बलबीर जी, आपका ये जो ये 16वां एग्जीबिशन, वो हाउ वाज द बिजनेस लास्ट ईयर एंड व्हाट यू एक्सपेक्ट फॉर दिस, एंड सेकंडली हाउ GST has affected your exhibition business?
Well, GST hasn't affected any business by the grace of God. Everything is going to get back to normal very soon. Those who have got affected, which I doubt, will definitely get back on track because, as you say, the show must go on. That's how it's going to be.
And how much business you done last year?
वो नहीं बताते, वो हम पूछते नहीं, वो पर्सनल क्वेश्चन है.
वो जूलर को आप क्वेश्चन पूछेंगे,
वो जाके यहाँ
वो
पे
जवाब दे
एग्जिबिट करके
पाएंगे.
फिर स्टोर.
Anyway, मतलब स्टॉल में कुछ बढ़ोतरी, मतलब कंपेयर टू लास्ट एरिया में कुछ?
अभी शो आज शुरू हुआ है, अभी 1 घंटा हुआ है, हम संडे को बात कर सकते हैं इस बारे में.
लास्ट ईयर समझो आपने 1600 स्टॉल थे.
सेम वो हमारी जगह लिमिटेड ही है. अगर ताज में करें तो लिमिटेड जगह ही है. लास्ट ईयर भी पैक था, इस साल भी पैक.
नंबर ऑफ स्टॉल्स
सेम.
Okay, Vani, we have our online audience out for you here.
Hi.
And they have some questions for you.
Thank you.
So they want to know which is your dream wedding jewelry.
I think I'm not going to become a Christmas tree. I'll keep it very simple. Maybe. Yeah, you never know. Never say never. You know, I might just change my whole plan and get like fully like. And I love gold a lot. So gold is my favorite ornament.
Go-to jewelry.
Yeah, go-to jewelry. Yeah.
Okay. And when you say luxury, what would you define as luxury for you?
What, in terms of jewelry you're asking?
In general, what is luxury for you, or your luxury?
Things that you don't need but want and you can afford your wants, I think is luxury.
True that.
Very well said. So how was your experience at Times Glamour 2017 Taj Lands and Bandra? Could you just share your experience with us?
I just took an entire round of the entire, different stores and all which are here, and it's amazing. Like I said, everything is unique in its own way, and they have a very exquisite collection. And the fact that everything is under one roof, and one who's in the intent to purchase jewelry can just come here, and one need not just hop from one place to the other. Everything's here.
Anything that was eye-catching for you and something that
A
you
lot of
really loved?
things. A lot of things. I saw some really cool rings and some nice earrings and all. Beautiful stuff.
Okay, can we get a small shout out for all your beautiful fans out there to come visit this exhibition at Taj Lands and Bandra from 14th to 16th of July?
You want me to do the whole thing? How would you say everything? And I'm like, please come. Hi guys, I'm so happy that I can connect with you in some way. And I am here at Taj Lands End, visiting the 16th edition of
Times Glamour.
And it's amazing here, and I think you guys must come here. If anybody who's looking out for some amazing piece of jewelry, please be here. Thank you.
Thank you so much, Vani.
Thank you.
हाँ जी। Independence Day रह वो एक महीना रह गया, क्या कहना चाहिए?
Happy Independence Day! All of us.
Thank you. Thank you.
मुझे बोलो उठना मत.
Good to go?
Yeah, done.
Thank you. Thank you, sir. Thank you. बता दूँ?
Yeah, let's go.
उठ जाओ.